Hello friends, come and join me. Let's draw and color Craftycorn. First, let's draw the shape of Craftycorn's ears and shape of her face. Then, her nose. Her big round eyes and mouth. Craftycorn, the whimsical and creative character from Playtime Company that's sure to spark your imagination. Let's color her eyes and mouth with black. Let's draw her horn, her eyebrow, a little hair at the back. I'm drawing her 5-petaled rainbow flower pendant. Then, her arms and hands. And the shape of her tummy. Let's draw her legs and feet. Lastly, her tail. And now, let's add color to Craftycorn together. Craftycorn is a white unicorn with colored cyan mane, tail, and hooves. Craftycorn is a magical unicorn with a passion for crafting. With a rainbow-colored mane and a glittering horn, she's a sight to behold as she spreads creativity wherever she goes. Her rainbow flower pendant with 5 petals is colored in yellow, red, violet, blue, green, and orange. Craftycorn is happy to see you today. And there you have it. I hope you have fun today. Thanks for watching.